Space can be a major constraint for food manufacturers trying to automate their case packing operations. Robotic fencing, guarding protects the operator, but takes up a lot of space in the food factory. With OAL's April Robotics fenceless robotic systems, we can have workers operating alongside high-speed robots in a safe, controlled manner. We've been delivering automation and robotic systems to food manufacturers for over 30 years. With April Fenceless, we're making automation accessible without the barriers. Case packing in food manufacturing is hard work. It's repetitive, physically demanding, and prone to health and safety challenges. That's why we created April, the fenceless case packing robot, a smarter, safer, and more flexible solution designed for food manufacturers. April is safer by design, combining lightweight robotics with advanced vision and smart controls to eliminate the need for guarding. It's easy to install, simple to use, and fits seamlessly into your existing packing lines, reducing risk, saving space, and cutting labour costs from day one. People are safe to work alongside our robots because there are advanced safety systems that protect your people during operation. OAL's fenceless case packing system has a 10 times smaller footprint than a traditional machine-based case packing system. This means that you can easily integrate it into your existing operations without causing huge levels of disruption to your operations. The system integrates advanced AI vision to be able to track finished products coming down the line and then seamlessly pick and place the finished product into a case or a tray. If you're tight on space in your factory, it would be great to talk and look at how these types of robots could help you transform your operations.